This is my favorite part of the set, the Bussard Collector for the Excelsior Refit / Enterprise B. What is up, plastic addicts? Let's get a look at this bad boy and see how it goes together. Now here's the kit supplied piece glued together, and let's start the process after looking at the aftermarket piece. So I'm going to use a razor saw and the sharp number 11 blade. Razor saw for the most part, because that's going to get the nice straight cut, thin cut, so you can maintain that detail that goes around the perimeter of the Bussard Collector. But you gotta be very, very careful. So you can see I'm using lots of motion and coming out from different angles. Then I'm going to use the sharp knife to open up the ends, because same thing, you've got a detail area around the perimeter, so I want to maintain that. So I'm going to cut that out as close as I can. Break those pieces out. That's a pretty good opening, but it still needs some finishing. First, we're going to open the piece up just a little bit more to make sure that, once again, perimeter area is as good as possible. Then file it out, and we're going to do a test fit, and I think I nailed this one first time. Pop that in. Look at that. That is the Bussard Collector for the Enterprise B. I'm looking forward to figuring out how to light this. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share, and I will see you the next time.